Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restoring deleted files on your Google Drive account. If you have deleted any files from Google Docs, Sheets or anything else on Google Drive, this is how you can easily restore them. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. For this tutorial, I will delete this document from Google Docs. There is no way of restoring it from within Google Docs, so I need to hit the hamburger menu from the top left of the page and then open Drive. This will load your Google Drive. In Google Drive, open Trash from the left sidebar. Here is the document which I deleted. Double-click it to open it. You will now be prompted to take this document out of the trash. Once you do that, it will be returned to your documents list on Google Docs. You can do the same with any other Google Drive file that you've deleted, such as a Google Sheets document. You can quickly get to your trash folder by simply going to drive.google.com/drive/trash. Double-click the file you want to restore and then select Take Out of Trash. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.